Today very prime news highlight from SNH from Middle East. Conflict in West Asia has further intensified as the Israeli Defense Forces, IDF, dismantled dozens of assets belonging to Iran's ballistic missile array, including missile launchers and defense systems deployed in the area that constituted a threat to the Israeli Air Force's aircraft. U.S. Air Force is also continuing to execute a high volume of air strikes into Iran. The U.S. Central Command said that their forces have struck or sunk over 20 Iranian ships, including a Soleimani-class warship that U.S. struck yesterday. The U.S. also used a long-range precision strike missiles for the first time during Operation Epic Fury. President Donald Trump has said, the United States and Israel were in a strong position in their war with Iran, vowing that they would continue forward against the Islamic Republic. Mr. Trump also said that Tehran's arsenal of ballistic missiles was being wiped out rapidly. United Arab Emirates (UAE's) Ministry of Defense said that its air defense systems successfully intercepted 3 ballistic missiles, detected 129 drones, of which 121 were intercepted while 8 fell within the territory of the state yesterday. Qatar's Ministry of Interior has said that the relevant authorities are evacuating residents living in the vicinity of the U.S. Embassy is a temporary precautionary measure. Suitable accommodation has been provided to maintain public safety. Saudi Arabia has also said that its air defense system intercepted and struck 3 drones in east of Al-Kharj Governorate. Earlier, 3 cruise missiles were intercepted outside Al-Kharj city. Bahrain's Interior Ministry said that the Director of Operations Management chaired the emergency meeting of GCC countries at the level of officials from emergency and crisis management departments and operations rooms. On the other hand, Iran is also continuing its air strikes in the region. Thank you for watching SNH. Do you like it? Could you please share to your family members, friends, colleagues?